7435 Falcon Rock. Maybe remove that satellite dish. Maybe power wash the driveway. So you'd want to rekey this door, this door. I will say just right off the bat that this house has a fantastic feel in my opinion. I think it has a lot to do with the paint and the flooring and the really high baseboards. Sorry that it's a little dark, but there's no light kit on that fan. We need 2.5-inch faux blinds throughout there. The kitchen has the most dated feel, I think because of the cabinet pulls and counters. I can just see in a couple of areas. Actually, I think that might have been the shadow. Okay. So we have a little eat-in dining area over here. We have concrete with a patio overhang. This side would get the evening sun. We have rocks and a little bit of desert landscaping. We have subway style tiles. There's no light kit in this room, but the carpet looks pretty good. There's some stains in it. We might be able to get them out. They might not matter. That's a PM call. But we do have a good sized room with a smoke detector. Hopefully it works. Closet door guides and a closet rod. A coat closet here. Typical to see those. Change in flooring here to tile. We have a 3-car garage, which is great. It's a 1-story with a 3-car garage. Sorry, not saying light, but we want to remove the water softener. There's no garage opener. There's a door that needs to be rekeyed down there. There's no garage opener on the 3rd car slot, which is pretty normal. Most people would use the 3rd car for storage anyway, not for actually parking a car. So generally we don't add it unless the tenant requests it. We need a shower rod in here. We need to make sure the exhaust fan is working properly and it's not too loud. The cabinets look fine. Maybe replace the little drain ring there. Flooring is not ideal, so we have what looks like laminate in that room, carpet in here, and this tile. So it's too many changes in one area. It's dark in here, so it's hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure this is a different carpet than in the other bedroom. So we'll need the property manager to tell us if she would recommend just adding carpet to all of the bedrooms so it all matches, or not. We need her opinion on that. There's no light kit on this fan either. Those are not the correct blinds. So the master needs 1, 2, 3, 4 blinds, including this one. Oh, that doesn't, okay, 3 blinds. That's blue in there. The cabinets look like they were repainted. They actually look okay. Okay, pretty straightforward. And that's it.